close to the sun.
Hello everyone and welcome. In this episode of Boat Life, we pick up from our recent sail to Paros and take you on a trip to some nearby sites, all before a spot of sailing and a bit of a hairy moment before we drop the hook at nearby Antiparos. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and the bell for more videos.
Here's to the ones who let shine through the rain, the ones who stood for something more. We won't forget your names. The tide is high, say goodbye, we're setting sail, and all those midnight secrets told, we'll take them to the grave. So when I'm gone, oh when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, and I'll be
Captain's not very well. Ross hasn't been sick in absolutely ages. Might be something to do with the fact we don't really come into contact with people that often. Come on! Up you get. Time to explore. Come on Josh, you can do it!
That's it, bit tighter.
I saw you from across the room.
I saw some mini healing boats with children on them. In fact, maybe you can teach me today. While Danny's sailing, me and Josh can sail.
That's a good idea.
It's like a pirate ship, you know.
This reminds me a little bit of San Antonio.
Really?
Yeah.
It reminds me of Eon.
Get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You say that you're from out of
Oh, Ross! Paros official beer house.
Let's have a look.
Take a look.
Cool.
How many ales could be in there? Let's go.
from the other side. Would you stay and
Let me go without you, Squirt. Let me see.
He's always thinking that, isn't he?
Where's Baby Mouse?
Have a look.
See if you can find him.
Look, Mum's back.
Get for a ride. That one then. Joshy! Definitely heading in the right direction. Look at those subs. Oh, this is amazing. We'll be coming here tomorrow. Come on then, Josh. Feels like Linda.
Nice in the dust, not donkey through it.
That is true. No donkey donk.
There you go, beer house.
Spotted. Well, if that wasn't meant to be, I don't know what was. Oh, the night. It's totally not open. Not happening. What a letdown. Sorry. Oh well. Onwards and upwards.
I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to
All a bit battered.
you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. Will I cry? Will I leave behind broken and crumbled signs, hiding all my roads to you? Uh-oh. And if I fight, will I come to life, calling for all your light, giving all my heart to you? Uh-oh.
So guys, this is Baby Mouse's birthday cake. Apparently it's for happy birthday, Baby Mouse. Welcome to the family. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Baby Mouse. Happy birthday to you. Please don't cry. Ready? Make a wish, Baby Mouse. Wow! You blew them all out in one go! So I'll meet you over there.
Okay guys, you ready?
I will stay to find golden sign, taking all my roads to you. And I will fight it, I will come to life.
Noah. Noah, come away. Walk away. That's it. Good choice of beach, Noah.
In this case, I would say his bark is not worth it. Oh, can we go?
You ready?
I met a girl from the UK. She a dime, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains.
So what's the plan, Laura?
Okay, so guys, I don't know if you know, but Josh is quite a good swimmer. We have never tested how good he is. So he's swum quite a lot of long distances before, but this is actually a 25-metre lane. He's going to get the opportunity to win a certificate and an award for being able to swim 25 metres breaststroke and 25 metres front crawl. So
Let's do it.
yeah.
Let's go.
Are you excited, Josh? Yeah. And Noah's being his own personal cheerleader as well.
This is easy.
Easy. Well, let's see it then.
Wow.
And he's off.
And he's off.
Well done, Joshy. Come on, you can do it. Lady, Josh.
It's like Daddy after a few beers.
You better start moving and feel the music. Get your groove and let it use.
Come on, Josh.
When you feel the fire,
Go, Joshy.
it's right.
Bring back.
Pure desire.
Brilliant.
Just hold on.
Why are you surprised? He swims off the boat all the
I
time.
know.
It's just that it's a bit more like
It's like he's in a proper,
normal in a pool, isn't it?
big swimming pool, isn't it? And he's doing it in a straight line. And he's actually swimming properly. He's not really swimming as well.
Just dance. Come on, just dance. When the strong hand and you know you're about to get
Josh is going to get an award, and I'm going to print him out a proper certificate for this as well. Please, everybody, in support for him, can you please all give Josh a thumbs up, like and subscribe if you haven't yet anyway. Also, please give him an encouraging comment just so that I can read it out to him to say how well he's done, because
Here he is.
it's amazing.
Well done, Josh.
Well done, how was it? Come on, babe.
Take one more than yeah.
Oh, what?
What are you doing?
What are you going to do now?
I'm doing the other two ones as well.
No, darling, that's enough, sweetheart. You don't have to do any more.
I really want it because then I'll get my award.
You've got your award. You've done 50 metres.
Oh, of course you have. You've got more than me award.
What a mate.
Our followers and our subscribers are going to think you are just absolutely amazing. Well, I do anyway. I'm his mum. Of course I do.
Come on.
That's it. Going to the beach now.
So is it beer o'clock, Laura?
It's rum o'clock for me.
Come on, just dance. When the heat gets too hot to handle,
Cheers.
and you know you're about to get it.
I am done.
Done what?
Uh-oh, here comes the other one. Watch out!
Watch out, Noah. Cannonball coming. Woo! Watch out. He's coming for you, Noah. What's going on?
Sweet baby Jesus.
Go on then. Back to the boat.
I am not a trickster, this is not a game. Wanna be a hero, 10 minutes of fame. Please just listen.
Morning, guys. We're just about to set sail over to Antiparos. and check out the anchorage there. The wind conditions are good as well. We've got 10 knots of wind and I think it's gusting 18. We don't have to go very far, so I'm thinking about just putting out the mainsail and not going too fast today.
So long, Paros.
Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life. Okay, try to be brave. So much to save. Take control of your own life.
Anchor's up. Well done.
Now every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life. Without any thought, I keep moving on. I don't even care if my soul is gone. So many words that I should have said. Not concerned about how to live instead.
Having a bit of a close call with a ferry right now.
Difference in interest.
I can't tell what's he trying to do.
He put his anchor down, so we left, and in the time we've left our anchorage and got our sails out, he's now lifted it up. We
So bloody close.
We can't change our course because we've got reef over there. So.
He's gonna have to wait then, isn't he?
So that went quite smoothly. We're just trying to avoid this reef. You can see there the difference in colour where it shallows. We're heading for the port beacon over there. Trying not to accidentally jibe, but it's light wind, so no dramas really. Bye bye, Paros.
See you later, Paros.
Laura can smell fuel. I can smell tomatoes. I think Laura's probably right. That's disgusting. I reckon they've had an oil spill, Laura. Yeah, don't light a match.
When we put the sails in, can I help you with that?
Okay. Look what Laura's maybe. I don't know what it is. It's peanut butter and some sort of flat bread cake thing.
It's a breakfast cake she made just this morning.
Very nice actually. Thank you, Laura. I've quietly been debating all morning whether to sail through this little channel which drops to 3 meters deep in the deepest part. But I think, well, we've made a joint decision, haven't we? We're just gonna, when we get nearly there, go head into it and put the sail away. And we're close to anchoring anyway, so we'll need the motor for that, I reckon. So that's the plan. Safety first.
Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
Right, Josh, are you going to help me get the sails away?
Yeah.
Okay, if you come over here then, on the main sheet, which is the red and white rope.
Okay, Captain.
Right, now wait there. Lovely. So, when I tell you, pull the rope and go like this, like you're climbing the rope, okay? Pull it all in. Pull in as much as you can, right? Have that there. Alright. We're going to be really quick. Okay, here we go. It'll get easy in a minute. Are you ready? And pull, 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 pull. Pull, 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 pull. Faster, 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 faster. Good job, you've got that.
Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Brilliant. Good job, high five. Right, tidy up all that rope and put it there.
Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight.
Ross is a bit stressed out because we're in some seriously shallow waters right now. And no, it's saying 4.3 here, but it's going to go down to 1 metre under the keel. And hopefully...
If we're lucky, that's the deepest bit.
Really? There's a nice little island over there. Oh look, you can see the bottom. Whoa. We're on 2.7 now.
We don't need no more.
You can tell that he's stressed out. Fair enough, if our keel hits the floor here, we aren't going anywhere. And you can see right underneath. We wouldn't even anchor in this shallow. Wow, look how clear that is. Wow, it's amazing. So as I was saying, apparently there is a shipwreck right under us somewhere in this area. I'm not seeing it, but let's hope we don't hit it. This is looking really cool. Okay, so it's 3 days later, but we are having an award ceremony for Joshua and Noah for their achievements recently.
You know how I got an award? Well, I read a whole book.
Wow. And Josh, what did you do?
We are honoured to award Joshua College for swimming 25 metres breaststroke, and we are honoured to award Joshua College for swimming 25 metres front crawl. Another certificate, there we go. And then certificate of achievement for Joshua College for swimming 50 metres non-stop. That's absolutely incredible.
And then we get to the youngest
Hang
brother.
on a minute, we're getting there. We'll finish Josh's presentation first. So Joshua, you chose Cove Light as your Hot Wheels colour shifter. And now we move on to Noah. Noah, your boat school certificate, complete with dinosaurs. It says, boat school certificate. This is presented to Noah College for reading one whole book by himself. There we go. And your award was the Jaded colour shifter. Well done, boys. Very proud of you both.
Blue is the sky, like the color
Ready, guys?
of your eyes.
I think you're facing it in a minute.